Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the bubbles color on Telegram to make your Telegram looks cool or looks different. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Telegram application, and after that, if you are stay in this chat option, now you just need to visit the settings part, and then you just need to scrolling down until you found appearance. You just need to go click this appearance, and in the top side there will be a lot of options to change your bubble. So your bubble will be at this side, so you just need to click this option that provided by the Telegram to change the bubble of your account. So you just need to slide into the left side to access more options on the Telegrams. And right after you finish, you can also change the color of your name by go click this your color, and then you just need to pick what type of color that you want to use for your ID name here. So after you get your favorite, you just need to go click done and you're done. So that is the way how to change the bubble color on a Telegram. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.